Okay, I've showed you this issue before. The console's not as wide as the old one was. So you can see the indent of where the old one used to be, and right here it's just bare metal. So I was talking to the guy at Home Depot saying I just need, you know, like a 8-inch by 4-inch piece, and he just grabbed me like 2 of the sample things and handed them to me. I was like, I can take these? He's like, yeah, they're samples. They're so people can take home to you know, check out color inside their house or on the porch or whatever. So I'm gonna use some of the spray adhesive I used for the sun deck and spray those, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this down, so that'll be one less thing to do, so that way it won't keep wobbling around, and it'll be easier to work inside while I'm pulling wires and everything. So I'm gonna knock that out right quick. Trying to get as much pushed down on this hole so that way I can make sure it's even when I put it down. I'll cut this little piece off. I should have my gloves on for this. Alright, I already got the holes drilled. There's really no good way to record it. I got one screw in. I broke another bit. The $8 or $10 drill set from Walmart might not be as good as a buy as I thought it was. Anyway, I'm going to try to go ahead and pop these other 3 screws in here, but I'm not sure how well you'll get to see it. Woohoo! Oh, glad that's finally done. I mean, I need to, when I have my impact wrench or I borrow one, I'll have to zip those down a little bit further down. I mean, they're pretty much there, but you kind of want to sink them a little. But yeah, I'm not going to hook up or mount the fuse box yet until basically I have everything run, so it's a lot easier to plug everything into the fuse box, especially the main line coming in, because the one I got attached to it now is the old power line, which is only like something small, I think like 16 or 18 gauge, but I'm switching it out to 10 gauge, so it'll just be easier to actually do that on the outside of the box, have everything from the switches wired up and then mount it. But it's a little bit of progress.